Covaxin or Covishield, which is better? Covaxin and Covishield are the two types of vaccines available currently in India. Most of the population are apprehensive about the COVID vaccine, and a lot of questions arise in the minds of the people about vaccination. Let's understand what Covaxin is. The final report on the study about Covaxin has come just a day back, that is on 6th March. To understand more about Covaxin, it is mainly produced in India. It is a killed vaccine. And what is a killed vaccine? Here, the virus is inactivated and killed and injected into the human body. And body will produce antibodies against this virus. This technology is used traditionally. We have heard of so many other killed vaccines such as influenza vaccine, polio vaccine, rabies vaccine, etc. This was the technology used initially by the Chinese Sinopharm company who developed first COVID vaccine. The final result of this vaccine, as I told you, is just a day back. The efficacy for it is about 80.6%. Here they have studied on 25,000 people, and half of them were administered the vaccine and half were not received the vaccine. And the result proved that 80.6% has the efficacy to withstand COVID. And now what is Covishield vaccine? This vaccine is developed by Oxford University along with a UK-based global pharmaceutical company. Here a new technology was used. It is a virus vector vaccine. Another virus vector type of vaccine example is Ebola vaccine. Here, a virus which developed cold in chimpanzees has taken and had joined with the spike protein from COVID virus, and this formulation is injected into the human body to produce antibodies. The initial vaccine produced by the Oxford University is Chadox vaccine. This technology is used by the Serum Institute of India and named this vaccine as Covishield. And its efficacy is about 62 to 80%. So the efficacy of both the vaccines are almost same. Now the question about which one is better is out. Both are equally effective. So important thing is to take the vaccine. It doesn't matter whether it's Covishield or Covaxin. Let's all take the vaccine and encourage others to take vaccine. We will come back with clarification on more questions with COVID vaccination. Thank you.